Hi children, today let us learn the use of these in the sentence. Look at the sentence and we are going to use these in the sentence. Question, answer, yes, you are becoming very clever because you are learning to read. Shall we look at our first picture? Look what you have here. Count, what is it? Yes, apples. You love to eat apple. Juicy, fleshy, sweet apple. Let's count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 red, juicy apples are there. We are going to read the question. We are going to read the answer. Look carefully at the use of these in the sentence. For the question, we have a question mark. For the sentence, we start with the capital letter, end with the full stop. Question also, we start with the capital letter. Now we have here 6 apples. Yes. What are these? What are these, children? Then you say, these are apples. What are these? These are apples. Why we say these? Because it's more than one. Yes? If you have one, then you will get this. We have more than one. When you say, these are apples. Yes? You are learning to read. Good. Let's take a new picture. Look what we have here. Yes? You like to play with balls of different colors. Yes? What do? Roll it, bounce it. Yes? What colors are there? Blue and red ball. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 in number in the box. Let's read the question. What are these? These are balls. There's more than one. If it is this way, one means just this is a ball. These, there are many, more than one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say these are balls. These are blue and red balls. These are colored balls. What are these? These are balls. You're learning to read. Good. Let's get on with a new picture. You love to eat this? What is this? Banana. Let's count them. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 beautiful yellow, ripe bananas. Love to eat a banana? Very good. Let's read the question. What are these? These are bananas. Bananas are good for health. Have you seen different color banana? There are big green ones, red ones, and yellow ones like this. Yellow. What are these? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we say these are bananas. Very good. Shall we look at a new picture? See what you have here. Wow. Where do you see this? At a fair, at a festival. Yes? What are these? Balloons, lots of balloons. And what do you tell Mama? Mama, get me one balloon. Yes? Yes. Let's read. What are these? These are balloons, colorful balloons, so many of them. We can't count them. And you buy it from the balloon man. You're so happy to take one home for yourself. Read the question. What are these? These are balloons. We read the question, we read the answer, looked carefully at the use of these. When more than one, then we say these. What are these? These are balloons. Good. Let's look at a new picture. Have you eaten this? What is that? Berries, black berries or blue berries. Very juicy, tasty. Yes? Have you eaten blueberry jam? Ask mommy to get you. What are these? These are berries. Berries, you can eat it. Berries you can make into jam. You can make juice, anything. What are these? These are berries. You learn to read the question, answer, and also look carefully. Use of these. This is more than one. Look. Yes? So we say these. Let's go to a new picture. See what you have here. What is piled up here? Books. Where do you find many books like this? At the library, school library or any library, or on daddy's table, or on mommy's table. There'll be lots of books. Let's read. What are these? These are books. What are these? These are books. Good. Look at these. There are more than one book. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5. It is more than one. Then we'll say these. These. What are these? These are books. Good. Let's get on with the new picture. Look at that. That's a flower vase with full colorful flowers. Where do you find one like this? Headmaster's table, on your daddy's table in the corner. Yes, in the sitting room. Full flowers. My goodness, look at the colors and the lovely ribbon put on the vase. Let's read. What are these? These are flowers. These are flowers. Put it into a glass vase. What are these? These are flowers. Good. Shall we go to a new picture? We are learning to read the question. We are learning to read the answer. The use of these in the sentence. Look at the picture. What do you see here? Whole lot of, what is that? Buffaloes. A herd of buffaloes. They're all standing one next to the other. What are these? These are buffaloes. What does buffalo give you? They give us milk and meat. They give us milk. Yes, these are buffaloes, a herd of buffaloes. What are these? These are buffaloes. Good. We learn to read the question, answer, the use of these in the sentence. Now let's go to a new picture. Look what you have here. Where do you find a picture like this? You find in your school garden. Wherever there is a garden full of flowers, you find butterflies. Yes, all floating about. What are these? These are butterflies. Where do the butterflies fly and come to the garden? To collect honey from the flowers. What are these? These are butterflies. The use of these, because there are too many butterflies, more than one. Let's get on to a new picture. Look what we have here. You'll have to eat this fruit. Look at the sight of it, red and lovely and juice. What is the name? Cherry. Yes. Have you eaten fresh cherry? Otherwise, ask mommy to give you glazed cherries. You get it at the bakery. How many cherries are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cherries are there. What are these? These are cherries. Where do you find the cherry? On your birthday cake. On the top. They'll keep. Or if you eat cone ice cream, they'll put it on the top and give you. Yes? Have you seen? Tasty cherries. What are these? These are cherries. You learn to read the question, the answer, the use of these. More than one. So these are cherries. Let's take a look at a new picture. Look what you have here. Oh, so cute they look. Look at them, all in a line. What are these? These are cats. 1, 2, 3. Mama cat and 3 kittens. 4 cats are there. What are these? These are cats. There are more than one. These are cats. You like the picture? Lovely, isn't it? Let's get on to a new picture. Look what you have. Where do you use this? Yes, to color. The drawing book, you have a picture, you fill up the colors, you use this. What are these? Crayons. How many crayons you'll find in your color box? 10, 12 or more. Let's count how many here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 crayons in this crayon box. Let's read the question, answer them, and find these, the use of these in the sentence. What are these? These are crayons. See, these put in red color for you to have a look at it. And remember, what are these? These are crayons. What do you use the crayon for? Coloring. Good. Let's go to a new picture. See what you have here. Where do you find this? On grandma's bed? On the sofa? Or at the baby cot? Yes, cushions. What are these? These are cushions. How many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 colorful cushions. What are these? These are cushions. Soft cushions. Good. Shall we look at a new picture? Look what we have here. Oh, so cute, aren't they? All the puppies are lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? One mama dog and there are 3 little puppies lined up. Let's read. What are these? These are dogs. Cute dogs. These are dogs. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. When it's more than one, we have to say these. What are these? These are dogs. We learn to read the question, read the answer, the use of these, because there's more than one in the sentence. What are these? These are dogs. Let's look at a new picture. What is that? What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? Eggs. Nice brown egg. Who lays eggs? Hen. Do you like to eat an egg? Yummy. Let's read the question. What are these? These are eggs. What are these? These are eggs. Look at the question. Beginning with the question, capital letter, ending with a question mark. These, because there's more than one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. These are eggs. We learned today the use of these in the sentence and capital letter, beginning, ending with the full stop. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.